Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing the different mechanisms of controlled release oral drug formulations, which are an important perspective in industrial pharmacy. So, the mechanism type is either dissolution, matrix, encapsulation, diffusion or reservoir. So, these are the different mechanisms, and depending on the choice of drug, this mechanism predominates into a given system. The very first mechanism is dissolution, which is the capacity of a drug to get solubilized into a given solvent, and in case of absorption, the solvent is a gastric fluid. So mass transfer takes place basically from solid to liquid, and the rate determining step is the diffusion of substance from the solid phase to the liquid phase. The next mechanism we'll be talking about is matrix time, where it is also called as a monolith dissolution control system, where the drug is dispersed into the given polymer and the controlled dissolution is taking place by dissolving or erosion of the polymer at a given rate. Okay. So basically the drug will be releasing as and when the polymer is getting eroded from its path or the channel. The next type is encapsulation. Encapsulation is also called as a coating dissolution control system, where the drug is encapsulated into a capsule of or basically a polymer coat, and eventually the thickness of the polymer determines the release of the drug. The next mechanism is diffusion. Diffusion is commonly used term for absorption, which is taking place according to the concentration gradient from the region of higher concentration to a lower concentration until equilibrium is established. Okay, so this is widely used term, and every now and then for drugs, especially for various drugs, you have the diffusion phenomena dominating. So basically the type of drug also determines how your drug is going to diffuse into the given simulated medium. The next is reservoir. Reservoir systems is also called from the term a laminated matrix device, where the drug has been reserved into a hollow sphere or a hollow matrix as an inner core, and eventually coated by a water insoluble membrane. So it can be coated by encapsulation method or by different coating mechanism. So this is it regarding the different mechanisms